Hello and welcome to another Miss Alley Cat DIY video. Today I have this extremely easy Mother's Day DIY gift idea to show you. This is so easy. I don't know if I technically should call it a DIY, but for the sake of this video, we're going to call it a DIY. So without any further ado, let me show you how I make this easy solar flower lights bouquet to give to your mom. Or for any occasion, really. So for this DIY gift, I do have this vase. I got it from Dollar Tree, but use whatever you have on hand. This is just what I happen to have. I also had some tissue paper. I know Dollar Tree often does carry tissue paper, but I already had this in my house in just like a purple and a lavender color. And then, as you might expect, you're going to need these solar flower lights from Dollar Tree. I got 7. You can get whatever number you want. I got 3 purple, 2 yellow, and 2 of like the peachy pink color. So I just cut some of that tissue paper, just enough so that I could just crinkle some of it into my vase. I did that with the lavender color, and then I just did that with the darker color. This part is so customizable. You could put rocks in there, you can put different colored tissue paper, you can put any kind of filler, really, totally up to you. This is just, again, what I happen to have on hand. As you might expect, I just began taking each of my flowers and putting them into my vase in no particular order. So that's it. That's all you have to do to make this gorgeous bouquet of solar flower lights. This literally takes less than 2 minutes. I'm going to be giving this bouquet to my grandma so she can have a lovely bouquet of flowers on her dining room table, and she doesn't have to worry about watering these flowers ever. And then when she's ready, she can put these flowers in her yard if she wants. It's like a gift that keeps on giving. Any hoodles, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please feel free to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. It really truly does mean so much. I hope you all have a wonderfully perfect day. If you want to see more like this from me, and even more, go ahead and click on that notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. With that being said, this is Miss Alley Cat DIY signing off. Bye-bye.